What's going on YouTube? So I'm here at a plastic supplier and I am here to get plastic, a sheet of ABS plastic to build my own side skirts for the FRS. So you guys are probably wondering why I'm doing this. You guys probably know I got skirts with the Rallybacker V2 kit, but that car is gonna be pretty damn low with when I put those skirts on. They're like 3/4 inch and they're made out of fiberglass. So I know I'm gonna crack those things and destroy them immediately. So I've decided to build my own out of ABS. I'm just gonna get 1/4 inch thick ABS plastic sheet, like an 4x8, and then cut my own. And I might make them a little bit wider so they stick out a little bit farther than the Rallybacker skirts do. So let's run inside real quick. You're probably wondering why I'm recording this on my phone. As you guys know, my old camera, or my current camera, got destroyed when I was in Japan. I dropped it in a mud puddle and one of the audio channels is broken on it. So the new camera comes in today. It's a Sony a7R II. I'm super stoked to get it, guys. So the next footage you see should be on the new camera. So major issue, guys, I came all the way down here. It's like a 45-minute drive from my house with the Forester. I probably should have bought the truck, and the ABS will not fit back here. Not even close. So if you guys, sorry, I keep looking away, but if you guys are picking up some 4x8 sheet, make sure you drive some sort of truck or maybe a freaking big van or something, because it will not fit in the Forester. So I'm gonna have to run down, grab my truck, and head back here. What is up, guys? I am back home now and I need to get busting on these side skirts. It's probably gonna take a while. So I'm gonna go into the shop right now and show you what I'm talking about when I say the factory Rallybacker skirts are fiberglass and how thick they are. The car would be literally freaking on the ground on the sides. Not on the ground, it'd be pretty damn low. I still have that ABS in there. Probably should pull it out soon. It's probably getting all warped, being frozen out. Let me show you what I'm talking about though with these factory skirts. Car's looking beautiful as always. Look how empty it looks on the bottom though without skirts on there. So here's the factory skirts. Let's see, is that the right side? Either way, guys, look how thick that is. What is that? Half inch, 3/4 inch maybe. And that on the bottom of this car being static, I don't think that'd be good. That would not be good. Let's set it up on there and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. That's how low it'd be. Freaking half inch or so. It's pretty ridiculous. But basically what I'm gonna do is trace this onto the ABS plastic, and I might actually go a little bit wider so they stick out. I don't know. And instead of having two pieces, I want to just have one long piece, so it'll kind of tie everything together down there. Let me see what I can figure out. I don't know, they actually stick out pretty far already. I kind of like that. I'm just gonna trace these exactly how they are onto the ABS plastic. Let's get to busting on these things, guys. I want to get these done today. I feel like this is gonna add so much to the side of this car. It's so naked right now, and then it's gonna really, really look good with that front splitter I have on there. And then as soon as I get my diffuser in, I actually ordered, so I'll explain the whole situation in the diffuser video, but I ordered a Rallybacker used diffuser from some Instagram famous dude, and he freaking scammed me on that thing. He never sent it out, so I had to file a PayPal dispute. I got my money back, and I ended up ordering a Rocket Bunny V2/V3 diffuser. So that'll be in soon. We can get that thing on, and it's gonna look freaking insane. So I cannot wait. Let me go grab the ABS plastic and let's get to work, guys. As you guys can see, I have plenty of ABS plastic here. I'll show you how much I'm actually gonna use. About that much of it. So I think with the rest, I want to build a splitter for the Evo, and maybe, I don't know, I kind of like the one that's on there, but maybe I'll redo that one a little bit bigger. I don't freaking know. Doesn't really matter. For now, I'm gonna get these skirts up on here and kind of C-clamp them on, and then I can trace it, cut it, and yeah, it should look pretty freaking good. I'm gonna tape these two sections together just so I make sure it's even. Or not even, freaking, I don't know, straight, I guess, because it's not bolted onto the car right now. All right, that should be pretty good. So I'm gonna move it over to the other side. What I'm gonna do, just kind of C-clamp it on here, onto the board. And I'm having the grainy side or the textured side face up. So I'm tracing it to the bottom, to the shiny side. That looks good there. Throw in here. All right, guys, it's gotta be a pretty fine line. Ouch, got fiberglass in my finger. Alright, so it's traced on here. Let's do this back side real quick. I guess I don't need to really cut that edge. That should be fine, just completely straight. See how that looks. Alright, I'm gonna try cutting this using a skill saw. Alright, that cuts it pretty good. Let's throw some glasses on and get to work. I don't want to move my car out of the way though. Okay. Well, that part's done. Wasn't so bad, other than the mess I made. It is also super loud. My ears are ringing. Alright guys, let's set it up on there and see how she looks. The main reason I wanted to build these at ABS is I know it's gonna be a lot stronger than what I originally had. I still have to round off the edges and whatnot, but overall, looks pretty freaking good. Damn, I like that a lot. Let's round these edges real quick. Alright, the next thing I need to do is just drill my holes and I should be done. Get it mounted up on the car. Damn, it's like a perfect fit. So I'm just attaching the factory rally backer skirt to this skirt here. Alright, the drill bit I'm using is a 5/32. I'm gonna drill one hole and then make sure that screw will fit through. It's a tiny bit too tight, so I'm gonna step up to the next size drill bit and it should work fine. Perfect. Alright. That'll do her. Alright guys, this full skirt is done. I'll probably just duplicate this, but flip it around. Yeah, it sounds about right to me. Pen. So I'm gonna have to make 2 cuts on this one, which is not a big deal. Perfect. Alright, let's get to cutting. Done. That is beautiful. Alright, let's drill some holes, bros. Drill some holes and we should be done. Beautiful. We got 2 beautiful skirts here. I'm gonna clean up though. This shop is a freaking mess. So I'm gonna set these off to the side, put my rally backers away in storage somewhere. I'm just gonna keep my rally backer ones, unless somebody wants these, PM me and we can figure out a price. If you have a set, if you have a rally backer in broke goers or something. But in case I go air on this thing, I kinda wanna keep them. That is the finished product. There's 2 skirts there, 2 bottom line skirts. Beautiful, I gotta love it. Let's clean up real quick. All right guys, we should be ready to go. I'm gonna get this side, the passenger side of the car up in the air and get the passenger side skirt on. It should look freaking awesome when we're done with it. But my battery's dying, I'm gonna go swap that out real quick and then we can get to work. Guys, like I can't even talk right now. Oh, my mouth is so frozen. I've had this fire going for a while now, but outside I think it's probably 10 degrees right now. It's so freaking cold. I hate complaining on the channel, but damn, I'm so ready for this winter to be over. Guys, it is time to screw this little son of a gun on here. So I got the car up in the air, as you can see, and I'm just gonna grab the screws that rally backer sent me, get it up on there. There's already holes drilled in the bottom of the panels, so I'm hoping that I did a good enough job drilling holes that I don't have to drill holes again, if that makes sense. So this should be pretty straightforward. There's one hole I forgot to drill somehow. So I have this little thing right here as a template. Alright guys, it's on, it's done. Let's get this thing on the ground and see how she looks. Does it look sick or what? Oh shit, that looks awesome. Let me show you guys up close. How do you guys think that looks? Pretty damn good? I think it looks freaking awesome. Probably doesn't look quite as good as these thicker ones would look, but being that these are fiberglass, guys, I know for a fact I would crack these things probably the first time I drove it. Those are ABS, so those are gonna last probably forever because they're so flexible. You can really use this method to build any skirts for any car you want. I'm specifically doing it for the Rybacker V2 wide body kit, but you can pretty much do whatever you want. If you have factory skirts and you want the bottom line board, just pull your factory skirts off, set it up on the ABS, trace it, come out about 1 inch and cut it, and then screw them right to your skirt. That's how it looks, guys. I think it looks freaking incredible. There's a little shot with the front lip in there. That really adds a lot to the bottom of the car, in my opinion. I'm sure you guys feel the same way. Let's get the other side up and on there, and then I think that'll wrap up this video. To get to the other side, I'm gonna flip the car around, pull her out. Hopefully we can get it flipped around this time without getting stuck. Alright, here's a quick before look. Here is an after, guys. I'm gonna keep the back of the car jacked up in the air because the next video, probably tomorrow or something, is going to be installing a rear diffuser. So I don't have to have it jacked up in the air anyway. Alright guys, that is gonna wrap up this video. They turned out freaking amazing. I could not ask for a better turnout. Super stoked with how those came out. Exactly what I imagined. If you guys want to build this yourself, I'll have some plastic linked down in the description box below. So make sure you guys go pick some of that up. And what else are you gonna need? I used a skill saw. You can probably also use a table saw. It's actually what they recommended at the store. It's a table saw to cut through this ABS. But I decided just to use a skill saw, same concept. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button down below or right up in that corner, one of the two. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys end up building a set and it works out successfully, please just drop a comment down below and let me know that this video helped you out. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you tomorrow when we throw on the Rocket Bunny V2 diffuser. That should look epic.